Hi there, this is Dr. Gina Mantor. I'm back to discuss brown spots of all different kinds. Whether they are solar lentigines, which are sunspots, or melasma, which can come around with hormonal changes of pregnancy, or just freckles, all kinds of brown spots. They are a problem that really haunt a lot of America and a lot of the world. And we have multiple different ways to address brown spots. You can do it with laser and zap, and the brown spot is temporarily or possibly definitively gone, as long as you never do anything to bring it out again, because no matter how you get rid of your brown spots, they will always be deep down in that dermis. It is a misfunctional melanocyte, which are these cells right here. They are malfunctioning. They're not healthy. As in this picture, they are overproducing melanin. Melanin is the dark product that you're seeing. So when you go out into the sun, after you have taken care of your brown spots, no matter what, no matter how well you think you've taken care of them, they will always be there deep down in the dermis. Your melanocytes will always be overproducing melanin, and they will be brought back to the surface if you go out unprotected into the sun. So you can do laser, you can do skin products. No matter how you decide to take care of your brown spots, you will always have them haunting you if you don't do the proper things to keep them away. So that is why you have to ask yourself how you want to take care of them. Do you want them gone right away, and it costs a lot more, thousands of dollars for laser IPL type therapies, or do you want to take a longer period of time and maintain it with skin products, because they also can get rid of it. It's not as immediate, but they can get rid of your brown spots. Now, down to the more detail about the actual skin products themselves. I have worked with skin products for some time, and I have come to find my most proven, most definite favorite, although there are many different ones out there. Again, excuse my bulldogs who happen to be at work with me today. I apologize for them in the background. But the best products to get rid of brown spots include hydroquinone. So there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You know, I've used other products that are not using hydroquinone, and they just don't work as well. So here's your typical melasma patient. So those are the ones that typically get this melasma after hormone changes, birth control, or pregnancy, but not always. It can come about anytime. They're very stubborn to get rid of those melasma discolorations and that distribution that this lady has it. This is with my favorite set of products, Obagé's New Derm. This is after 12 weeks of using it faithfully. Now, you have to use your product faithfully if you want it to work. If you don't, it will not work. So it gets a little old hearing people say that it doesn't work when they don't use it. So the people that use it, it definitely works, and we see it all the time. Here's another example of just sun damage and Obagé 12 weeks, Obagé New Derm. There's lots of examples, and it can be used in all skin ethnicity types. And here's another one. So the New Derm System by Obagé is this. And this is what it looks like and what the products look like. It seems a little overwhelming at first, but if you really come to me just simply with the brown spots as your only complaint, this is what I'm going to recommend most likely. However, If you watch my other video on basics of skincare, usually people have other issues, and especially not exfoliating enough. Exfoliation makes it very important. It is very important for you to be able to get rid of your brown spots too. This does have some exfoliating in it, but not as good as the exfoliating I talk about in my other video. This is so much better. So that's where I tend to personalize the regimen. But this would be the whole regimen. And I'll go through each step. This is a gentle cleanser, very gentle, and a toner to even out your pH balance, just to help penetration of the products more than anything. This is where we're getting into the brown spots. Clear. So this has the hydroquinone in it, and it's 4%, and it's what really helps to get rid of your brown spots when you're using it. You use this morning and evening. So you scrub morning and evening, toner morning and evening, you use your clear morning and evening. Then morning only, you use this Exoderm. That's your exfoliator. So if you're not on these products, which would simplify your regimen, which are much better exfoliators, then you would use this if you're just using this whole kit. Then this blender. This blender goes with your tretinoin. So there's the 3 different strengths of tretinoin, and we would work together to figure out which one's best for you. But the blender is absolutely key to use. And one of the reasons that the tretinoin of Obagi is so wonderful is because if you use it with the blender, it helps it to penetrate more deeply. So you put a little strip of tretinoin about from the end line on your pinky finger to the tip of your pinky finger, so this long, of the tretinoin, and then you also put that much of the blender, that exact same amount of the blender, and then you put them on your palm or put them on the back of your hand, because the backs of your hands show your age too, and this can help your aging process as well. So blend them together on the back of your hand, those 2 products, and then put them all over your face. That is also really going to help the brown spots. Tretinoin is huge for brown spots. So that's blender. Then this is just a hydrating moisturizer. Again, I recommend this. This is wonderful as well if you're not doing the whole kit. And then sunscreen, which is crucial. And again, I do recommend this sunscreen if you're not doing this whole kit. So whichever tretinoin goes in here, if you're buying the whole kit, whichever one that you are going to be put on. So say that you are not going to do the whole kit, although that's what this data is based off of, is that whole kit. What is actually making this kit get rid of your brown spots? It is the clear, the blender, and one of the tretinoins. That's it. That's what's really doing it. So if you combine my basic skincare regimen with these 3 things, you will really, really have a good skincare regimen. Your skin will look good, and you will get rid of your brown spots. So this is what I highly recommend. Now, say your brown spots are awful. They're driving you absolutely insane. You just can't even take it. You need it to be gone as yesterday as possible, but you don't want to do laser to do that. We can also add Sun Fader, which is another hydroquinone product that you can add to help your sunspots to go away. So, or brown spots of any sort, melasma, whatever it may be. So this is all about brown spots. That is the best, the tried and true, the way to get rid of brown spots with your skin products topically. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know and we can address them. And that is it for this video. Thank you.